So you can see here, it's got a pretty steady leak in here. So just a little bit of water and it's pouring pretty good. So we're going to see if Flex Seal really works, see if it'll seal up this pretty large crack in this bowl, or pretty large hole in this seam, if you will. So first it says it needs to be dry, that it needs to be free of any dust and debris, whatever. So we'll blow it out real quick and see what we can come up with. Stuff that's on the can, we'll make sure we do, right? Okay, so it says a couple of thin coats, so we'll see what one heavy coat does. Ooh, that's pretty thick. I'm sure I've done everything you're not supposed to do, including one heavy coat. So we'll give it a few minutes and come back and see. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour, specifically like an hour and 15 minutes since I sprayed the Flex Seal, and I sprayed it really heavy. And why not? Sitting in this Florida heat should be good. So let's see what we have here. So pouring the water in. Do we have any leaks? Hey, look at there. Looks like it's working. So there you have it, Flex Seal. So for the price of a few bucks, you can repair your leaks.